In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect SamCart to Kajabi. By the end, you'll have SamCart orders flowing straight into Kajabi so you can grant access or tag contacts automatically without manual work. First, open your Zapier dashboard and create a new automation by clicking Create Zap. A zap is simply a trigger and an action. We'll tell Zapier to watch SamCart for activity and then perform something in Kajabi whenever that activity occurs. Give your zap a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to build more automations. For the trigger, choose SamCart as the app. Then pick the trigger event that matches your workflow, like new order if you want every purchase to kick things off, or subscription started if you run recurring products and want the automation to start when a subscription begins. Zapier will prompt you to connect your SamCart account. To do that, head into SamCart, go to Settings, then API, and generate an API key. Copy that key and paste it into Zapier when asked. This securely links SamCart to Zapier so it can listen for the events you selected. Next, set up the action with Kajabi. Choose Kajabi as the action app. Decide what you want to happen in Kajabi when the SamCart trigger fires. Common choices are Add Member to Offer, which grants access to a course or product, or Add Tag to Contact, which is perfect for segmenting your audience and starting automations in Kajabi. When Zapier asks you to connect Kajabi, provide your site URL and the API key from your Kajabi settings. This allows Zapier to perform actions inside your Kajabi site on your behalf. Once both connections are in place, you'll map fields so the right data flows through. For example, pass the buyer's name and email from SamCart into the corresponding Kajabi fields, and if you're adding a member to an offer, select the exact offer from your Kajabi list. If you prefer tagging, choose the specific tag that aligns with your funnel or onboarding sequence. That's it. With the Zap created, your SamCart orders or subscriptions will automatically sync to Kajabi based on the trigger and action you selected. This setup keeps your enrollments, tags, and customer records consistent without manual imports, saving time and reducing errors. If you ever change offers or tags, just revisit the Zap, update the action settings, and your automation stays current.